Welcome back, guys. Now, for those of you that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at Euro USD for the next day, which is 3rd of January, which is on Tuesday. Now, before we get started, let us first of all start with the news, right? Like the news of fundamental aspects of it. We all heard of the news of Croatia adopting euro as their new currency. So I mean, with this news, right, you would see that the what will I call it? The demand for such currency will actually increase. So once there's a demand for such currency, we should actually see we should actually sit on technically give us a bullish move on this euro USD, coupled with the fact that this is an uptrend move, right? Basically, if you have to take a look at it technically, you would want to take your trade, right? Technically, you go to your charts. You will want to ask yourself, what is the trend for that movement? Has markets give us three movements? Is that giving us an uptrend move or a downtrend move or a ranging market move, right? And you can see on this Euro USD, we are having an uptrend move. And with this news, when you combine it together, you see that we are going bullish. And when you add your 10th period moving average also, you will also see that this price is trading above this 10th period moving average. So that is a clear indication, or what we like call it, a signal, or whatever you would want to say, that Euro USD, the next day we should actually have a bullish move. Let us see it continue to give us that bullish move throughout this week, basically. So I'm watching out for a bullish move on Euro USD. But for the third day that we are doing this analysis, if let's try and grab, let's call it 50 to 60 pips, bullish move on Euro USD. So all what we are going to be looking at on Euro USD is actually a bullish move. So whatever you want to trade or how you want to trade it, you should actually look to go long on Euro USD. So Euro USD, we are on a bullish move. Now, if you take a look at this, right, which is on its two, I don't think markets opened today, right? The markets opened. I did not even like trade because most of our commodity or currency, the actually market did not open today. But eventually, I'm seeing a red this thing, candlestick for the second on Euro USD. So this is kind of like a pullback. Now after this pullback, what do you expect? We would expect a bullish move. First of all, let's sit on the daily time frame. Then we will go to the forward time frame. Now see this as an impulse move. Then you will take a look at this to be a pullback. Then you can now take a look at this to be an impulse move. Yeah, you will now sit as a pullback. So once this pullback is over, then expect a continuous bullish move. So technically we are to go bullish the next day. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So basically you will see on this 4 hour time frame, I think we throughout last week, right? I think it was throughout last week and last week on Euro USD. Literally, we were actually ranging within this level. So if you are following this channel consistently, you would have seen our price, how we've been, what do I call it? How we took this level as our resistance level. Then we came down to take this price as our support level. During this time, we actually applied that principle of trade what you see. Basically, when you take a look at the full picture, we are on a bullish move. We would want to go bullish. But because we are on a doing it daily, like a daily trader, you would want to trade what to see what price is currently doing. So that is exactly what you would want to trade. So we can see that price was actually ranging then. So that is how we actually range. And we talked about having a breakout. That if eventually price give us a breakout of our resistance level, then watch out for a pullback that will be made. So you can technically see that this Euro USD has given us a breakout. What do you see now? This is a pullback. So I think this pullback should be over. If in case it is not over, let's just see. I don't really know if it is over, if it will be over at this level, which is a level of 1.06. But one thing we know for sure is that once this pullback is over, as you are getting it on Euro USD, expect a bullish move. So when you go to technical aspects of it, you go to your 4 hour time frame, you see that we are expecting a bullish move. Coupled with the news that Euro, the demand for Euro will increase, so we should see a bullish move on Euro to USD. And when you take a look at the daily time frame, you see that it is an uptrend move. So when you also see it, that this price is also trading above our 10 period moving average on the daily time frame. So basically, all what we should be watching for on Euro to USD is a bullish move. So I can't really predict when that bullish move will happen. So will it happen in the New Year section? Will it happen in the London section? Well, it is what I can't really tell. But one thing we know for sure is that Euro USD should actually give us a bullish move. So if in case this price continues to drop the next day, which is the next day on the London section or whatever, right? Then once it is the New York section, we should actually expect that bullish move because I believe New York section there is more volatile, there is more movement, so at least we should be able to get that movement. And if in case price starts giving us that bullish move in the London section the next day, then fine, we can go ahead and trade and take a buy on Euro USD